Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel! Today we are going to draw and color Super Mario and Princesa Peach! Wow! Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing! At first I'm going to draw Super Mario! I start with his big nose, then I draw his eyes. His eyebrows, his mustache, and his smiling mouth. Now I draw the shape of his head. Then I draw his hair with his ears. I continue with his hat, like this. With the letter M on the middle. I continue with the upper part of his body. And I draw his outfit. Now let's draw Princesa Peach next to him. I draw her eyes. Her nose and her smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of her face and her hair. Her eyebrows. I draw the ears and the earrings. I continue with her body. She is wearing a princess dress. With a gem in the middle. Now I finish her hair. Finally, I draw her crown on the top of her head. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I color Super Mario first. I use pink for his skin. Then I use blue for his eyes. I color his hair with a light brown marker. Then I use a darker shade for his mustache and eyebrows. I use blue and yellow for his overall. I color his long-sleeve shirt with red. Finally, I use the same red marker for his hat. Now, let's color Princess Peach. I color her skin pink too. Then I use light blue for her eyes and her earrings. Finally, I color her dress with purple and light pink. I color the gem yellow and light blue. Now I color the hair with yellow. Finally, I color her crown with yellow, blue and red. Awesome! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video!